Hello everyone. Welcome to Word with Nandini, where word flows and confidence grows. Yes, hi everyone. Hi. So after a long time, I'm saying this line. I don't know what happened with me. I just forgot this line. And how can I forgot, huh? So again, a really warm welcome to my channel. And yeah, I'm looking different today, right? Because most of the time I wear t-shirt and everything, but today my getup is something different. Traditional. I'm wearing kurti and this bangles and all. Yeah, okay. Anyway, just tell me how am I looking? Am I looking cute? Whatever. Comment down below. So yeah, actually I was wondering on which topic should I make videos, but no one told me anything. I told you in the last video and before that also. I told you so many times, guys, if you want videos on any topic, just comment down below and I will be making videos on that topic. But you guys are not telling me anything. So yeah, anyhow, so today I don't have any script or I don't have any topic in my mind, but I just wanted to share you one story. One story, like one real life incident. So, yeah. So, once I went to a mall with my friend. We were so excited, just roaming around, enjoying. And after some time, we got really hungry. We wanted to eat something. So we decided, let's go. We should eat something. But when we went to near the food counters, I saw everyone is speaking in English. Like they were speaking so confidently. The way they were speaking, I suddenly felt like really small. My mind went blank. I knew exactly what I wanted to eat, but I didn't know how to say it. I stood there pretending to check the menu, but actually I was really scared. And then we quietly walked away. Yes, we walked away. We didn't order anything. We were so hungry, but we still came back home just because I was too embarrassed to speak. Just because I didn't know how to speak in English. And that incident stayed with me for a long time, guys. Like literally for. Sorry, guys, I got a call. So where was I? Yeah. So I was saying that that incident stayed with me for a long time, not because we didn't eat, but because I realized something very painful. I wasn't scared of English at all. I was scared of being judged. And because of that fear, I was limiting my own life. That hit me so hard, so hard. Because I thought if I keep running away from these small moments, tomorrow it won't be just ordering food. It will be opportunities, conversations, my confidence, everything. So I made a very quiet decision that not a big promise, just a small one. Next time I will try, even if my voice shakes, even if I say it wrong, even if someone looks at me, if they laugh at me, I don't care. I will try. And slowly things started changing. Not in one day, obviously, not in 1 week, but little by little. And today, I can go to a mall without that fear. I can order food by my own. I can talk to people, not just perfectly, but confident. And the biggest change is I don't feel small anymore. That same place that once made me walk away now feels normal to me. And honestly, nothing magical happened. No shortcut, no perfect method. I just stopped running away. I stayed. I tried again and again until it became easier. So if you're someone who feels like giving up, just remember this. Maybe you're not failing. Maybe you're just in that moment before things start changing. Don't leave from there because your story is not over until you win. Okay? Your story is not over until you win. So remember this line and start. So yes, guys. This was the incident, and it happened in real. Like, I was literally so scared at that moment. My heart beat were pounding so fast. I was like, my legs were trembling, okay? Because at that time, at that moment, my friend was with me, and she was from village, so she just came, and we went, and she wanted to, actually she was so hungry and she wanted to eat, so it was my duty to order, right? But then also I didn't have the guts to go and to order food. Such a pity, God. But now when I look back, when I remember that incident, I feel, oh God, like, what did I do it? Why? I could have spoken in Hindi as well, right? But I didn't. I was thinking about the people. So yeah. But yeah, guys, that's it for today's video. And if you have any doubts, if you want to ask me anything, feel free to ask. And just let me know what kind of topics you want, like on which topic you want video. Okay, I'll try to make video on that. So yeah, that's it for today's video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Bye bye, guys. Bye bye.